In this video, I will show you how to use PageCloud. So PageCloud is a tool that helps you build your website with the power of AI. So as you can see, they help you build a high-performing website to grow your business, and you can use your creativity and AI to manage your content and amplify your online presence. So whether you are building your own website or you are building a website for a client, PageCloud is a great tool, and I'll show you how to use it in this video. Now when you click on the link down in the description, which is my affiliate link, you can get 20% off your first payment, and you can start a free trial, no credit card required. So click on the link down in the description and then click on Get Started for free. Now here, simply go and create your account by entering your name, email address and password. Then click on Continue. Then you will be taken right here where you can either choose to create a website or pop-ups and banners, which will be coming soon. I'm going to create a website, so then click Continue. And now here, what are you creating? So a small business site, an e-commerce site, freelance or portfolio site, a link in bio page, a landing page, or other or not sure. I will select a small business site, then click Continue. Now here you get a bunch of templates that you can choose from. You can preview any of them by clicking on preview right there. Now you can see that these are tagged with these hashtags. So if you see a hashtag that matches up with the website you are creating does, for example, if your business does photography, then you can click photography right here. Now you will see a bunch of templates for photography websites. So for this example, I'll select this one for this restaurant. So then click either preview or select. I'll just click select. Now you want to give it a name, and now you can turn on enable e-commerce for this site, which will give it a shop. I'm going to turn that off. And now here enter the name of your company. And then the purpose of your website. So for example, create and manage a custom website that outranks your competition. Visual editing, no code required. So then choose an industry, so in my case this would be a restaurant. So then click save and continue. So now we have started our free trial, chosen our template and filled in our business information. Now here you'll be taken to the drag and drop editor. So this editor right here is very simple to use and it's pretty similar to other website editors. So I'll just show you how you can actually customize this website. So for example, the first step that I like to take is to upload my own logo. So when you click right here, you will see that this right here is just text. So you can simply remove this. And then in the left here, go to images, and now we can upload our own image. And now you can just move it over up into the header section right here. So you can really easily put it wherever you want. Now I just took this logo as an example. You just simply want to go and upload your own logo right there. Now here you have these sections being home, which is this screen, then a menu section, contact, Facebook, Instagram and Twitter in this specific website. I think this is perfect for my restaurant. So if you want to go and switch to any of these other pages, you can click right here on the page you are currently on, and then here you can see all the pages. Now first you will want to save this, but now for example if I go to the menu page right here, you will now see that they have created this menu. Now of course this is not my exact menu, so you want to go and customize this. But this is super simple, you can just type whatever you want right here. You can also change the font by clicking on it, and then here under text you can choose the type of text right here. So here you can pick the font. Now I like this, so I'll keep it like this. Now for example, if I want to change this picture right here, I'll just click on the picture, and then for the background right here you can click on it, then click on the image. Now click replace. Now here they already have some pictures that have to do with restaurants. So for example, if I click find images here and search for dessert, then you can go and find a picture right here. So for example, I'll choose this one right here, so then you can drag it into the page and now you can see it has replaced it. Now I think this does not look better than the one it had. So if you simply want to undo something in the top right, you can click undo right there and then it will be undone. So simply go and edit everything right here that you would like to edit, and you also have some links, and I'll also show you how you can add those links. So first I'm going to click save right here and just move back over to the home page. Now one of the links are the Facebook, Instagram and Twitter links right here. So if you want to change one of these links, for example if I want to add my Instagram page, what I can do is click on it, then go to edit menu links, and you want to go and select Instagram right here, so click edit. Then here where it says link to, select another website. And now here for the website URL, you want to go and fill in your Instagram website URL and then click update link. And then when people click on that link, they will be taken to your Instagram account. So you can just follow that same process for every button or link that you want to add to your website. So for example, where it says book now right here, of course you also want to go and add in a link. So if you click on this and go to the link section right here, and now it's set to one of your pages and then the contact page, but you can also set it to another website, and then you can do, for example, a calendar link. Now you can also go and add in your own sections and shapes and images and whatever you want. For example, if I want to add in an app, I can click apps right here, and now you can see that you can add in a YouTube video player, TikTok video player. You can pretty much add in whatever you want. You can also do a Google Maps, which if you have a physical store is probably a good idea. So here you need to paste in the URL of the map you want to show on your page and paste it in right here. So I'll show you how you can do this. Just open up Google Maps. So just search for the restaurant or business that you have and search for the physical location. Then you want to select it. For example, if it is this one right here, I will click on it. And then in the address bar, you have this link. Go ahead and copy that and go back to PageCloud and paste in that exact link right here. And then when we click OK, you will now see that it is set to this specific restaurant right here. And now you have added this Google Maps section. Now you can make it bigger or smaller. You can move it up or down. You can pretty much do whatever you like. So now another cool feature of PageCloud is that you can click on any element right here, and then what you can do is go to animation, and then you can have an animation for this specific element. So for example, if I do this slide in right here, you can see what that looks like. So then if you like it, you can keep it in, and you can do that with any part right here, and this makes your website a lot more lively. So for example, if you select scale in for all of these images right here, I'll show you what that looked like. So now I'm gonna go and click on save right here, and then go and preview this page by clicking preview right there. You can now see that these images go and pop in like this. Now also the Google Maps section right here does the same thing. Now you may want to adjust this a little bit and put this on a different page so that it isn't so close together, because it doesn't look very good here. But you can just go and edit it, and it's a pretty simple process. And you can just add in all of these sections that you want. I'm not going to go over every single one of these sections because that would take hours, but it's pretty simple. If you want to add in text, just drag it in, change the font size, whatever you want. And for the links, just go and click on it and then click edit menu links, select the link you want to edit and select right here another website and just add in the link right there. Now for the contact page, it's also very simple. Just go to contact here, and then here they can book their table in my specific case, because for me it's a restaurant. Now here you can add in your own information. Now if you want to change the domain for your website, just go ahead and open up your website right here in the dashboard, then go to domain right here, and just go ahead and add in your custom domain. For this you will need to upgrade to a premium plan, but I do recommend adding a custom domain. So then once you're completely done, go ahead and click on publish site right there, and then your PageCloud site will be live. So again, if you want to get a 20% discount and a free trial with no credit card required, you can use my link down in the description to sign up to PageCloud, and then just follow all the steps that I showed you in this video. So now you know how to use PageCloud. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video.